Hi, welcome to Ask Chef Part 39. Today we join from Arthos, our whiskey bar, and we talk about cocktail and bar food pairing. We'll start first with sour cocktails like whiskey sour, daiquiri, margarita. Since they have a sour base, so they go very well with your heavier bar food like nachos, quesadilla, maybe French fries or cheese platter or some cold cuts. Those usually you have also on the beginning of the night, and you move maybe to some heavier drinks later. And there you can will do some different pairings. And Umay, our mixologist, will bring us a nice cocktail, will tell us what we are drinking today. Cheers. Nice. I can see having this with a nice nachos or a nice cheese platter, I think will be a perfect match. Cheers.